cool little the simplest hack ever, but it gets me out of a predicament every single time. Now I've got some calamari rings cooking over yonder there, and they're ready to go. And I had my tartar sauce here, and you know when you got the tartar sauce and it just won't come out. So what I do is I just get my serrated knife, cut through it, and then you can just use your spoon and get every last little bit out of the bottom, and also flip this around, and you get every last little bit out of the top, because when you try and tap it through, a lot of the time it just doesn't work. So there we go, another hack from myself. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you next time, guys. Cheers.